Luma and the Talking Stars. In a small village, there lived a curious little girl named Luma. She loved to look at the sky every night. While other children played games, Luma would sit quietly on the roof, gazing at the twinkling stars. One night, something magical happened. As she whispered, "Oh, how I wish I could talk to the stars." Suddenly, a soft voice replied, "Hello, Luma, glowing star." Luma jumped in surprise. One of the stars was actually speaking to her. The star introduced himself as Twinkle, the youngest star in the sky. Twinkle told Luma that stars could only talk to children who had pure hearts and big dreams. Luma felt special. She asked, "Why do you shine every night?" Twinkle replied, "To guide people in the dark. Even a small light can help someone find their way." From that night onward, whenever Luma felt sad or confused, she would talk to Twinkle. He always gave her hope and reminded her to stay kind, brave, and never give up. One evening, the whole village lost electricity. It was dark and scary, but Luma remembered Twinkle's words. She lit a small candle outside her house. Slowly, neighbors came, and together they placed more candles until the entire street was glowing. Everyone said, "Look, Luma's little light has shown us the way." That night, Twinkle whispered, "See, Luma? Just like me, you became a star for others." Luma smiled proudly, knowing that even a small light in the dark can make the world brighter. Moral of the story: even the smallest light can shine in darkness. Be kind, be brave, and you can become a star for others.